Alright, so what I got here is called the Vapium Summit. This is Vapium's first vaporizer, and it heats the herb using conduction. So, turn this vape on, you simply hold down this button, and it vibrates. And you see this little blue light here as actually a mountain, which is pretty cool. It has 8 different temperature settings, so you can change it. I like to use the 5th and 6th, which are yellow, orange, and it starts heating up. Takes about a minute to heat up. And one thing that's really cool about this is the pieces are magnetic, so this is just a magnet. It pops off and comes back. And this little chamber right here is also a magnet. You can see the bowl's packed down in there. Okay, so now you see it changed to green. That means it's ready to go. And it stays that way for about a couple minutes, and then it'll go into standby mode and turn blue again. And all you have to do then is just hit the button, and it'll take about 45 seconds to heat back up, or it'll turn off. Now, one thing that's really nice about this vape is it draws really easy. Like the packs, the chamber is connected right to the mouthpiece with one simple tube. Another thing that's really nice about this vaporizer is when you turn it on and it vibrates, it'll tell you how charged the battery is. And like the packs, this battery will last about 45 minutes to an hour with moderate use. It's not great, but it's pretty good. Now, one advantage this does have over the packs is this micro USB charger that allows you to use the vape while it's charging, which is really nice. Simply hold down the button and it vibrates a couple times to turn off. It'll shut off automatically, like I said. Another thing I really like about the Vapium Summit is its ruggedness. It's designed for the outdoor kind of person. If you drop this thing, it's not going to break, so you don't have to worry about any pieces coming apart. I mean, the mouthpiece can come off, but it's magnetic, so it can just pop right back on. Another kind of cool thing about this mouthpiece is it has a little guard you can pop off if you're worried about germs or whatever. It snaps right back on. So I'm going to call this the first true sports vaporizer. It's Vapium's first vape. It's pretty cool. It's not as nice as the packs in terms of build quality, but that hard plastic outside and the rubber grip make it easy to carry, easy to hold on to. It's pretty small. You can hold it in your hand, and you can take it outdoors. So there seem to be a lot of people having difficulties getting good pulls out of this vaporizer. So I did a little bit of investigating, and I found the problem to be the little metal screen that sits at the very bottom of this chamber here. There's a little perforated piece of metal that you can take out and put back in gently without smashing it against the bottom, and that should solve your problem. If it's not smashed against the bottom, it's a little bit easier to get a good pull. And that's my review of the Vapium Summit, the first true sports vaporizer.